ang ituturo ko naman sa inyo kung paano gumawa ng PowerPoint presentation in a matter of minutes. Okay? So, ang gagamitin naman natin is LM Notebook. So, dahil mayroon ako dyan account, ayan, click Google Notebook LM. Tapos, try Notebook LM. So, mayroon ako ditong account. So, ang gagawin natin, create new. Tapos, upload files. So, ang gagawin ko ay yung ginawa kong lesson plan para bukas. Okay, DLP English Day 2. Yan na. Then, sabihin, you are going to write your prompt. Make me 15 slide presentation for my lesson in English with colorful and attractive slide. Then, click mo yung slide deck. So, generating. So, nag-generate na siya. So, just wait. So, habang nag-wait kayo, pwede kayong mag-cellphone, or kung anong gusto ninyong gawin. So, ayan na, meron na tayo. Dito natin makikita yung nagawa na PPT ng ating Google Notebook LM. So, click mo lang itong 3 dots, then download PowerPoint PPT. Kasi download na siya dyan. Ito, dati open natin siya. Yan, sequencing events. Open natin kung ano ba ang kinalabasan. Open with PowerPoint presentation. So, ayan na siya. Share. So, slideshow natin para makita ninyo. Start natin sa beginning. Ito na yung sample. Ayun. Ang ganda-ganda. Yung story. May picture pa siya. So, ito yung mga comprehension question. Ayan. How to explain. Ayan yung group activity, differentiated group application. Ito yung formative. So, yung mga battle, they are going to sequence the events in the story. Yung integration, yung ways forward, and etc. So, yan. So, yun na yung lesson na nagawa doon. So, if you think that this video is helpful, and gusto niyo pa ng mas maraming video, just follow, like, and share Teacher Nest Files. Thank you for watching.